When developing applications, there's often times that we need to perform something in a background job, and that background job will trigger a shell command, and we're often left wondering what's going on with that command, especially if it's one that takes 10, 20, 30 seconds to run, and so we often don't know its current status. In the past, we have created episodes where we can get a progress bar, but that's not always realistic depending on the shell command running. And so if you think of it like a GitHub Actions, where you can trigger an action and then it starts running, you can view the output of that shell command. And that's what we're going to be looking at in this episode. And so I have just a few different shell commands, but you can always do whatever you want. So we can ping the Cloudflare, we'll create the event, and then immediately you'll see that we are starting to get that broadcasted output from that shell command running. And once it's finished, we see that the status was updated to completed. And so that's what we're going to be looking at in this episode, is how we can run the shell command in the background, but then also broadcast its status in real time to the end user. And one of the things we're also going to be looking at in this episode is addressing race conditions. Because depending on the load of the server and the background jobs running, it's going to queue up to broadcast each line. And that could be a bit problematic if there's a lot of jobs running. And so a race condition would be something where a sequence like 1, 2, 3, 4 might show up as 1, 3, 2, 4. And a lot of times that doesn't matter if we're just viewing the logs, or if we were to refresh the page, we would then see the full rearranged output. For example, like this, the first broadcast happened way before we started listening. And so if we were to refresh the page, we would then see the first line. And there's not much that we can do about that. But the main point is that if they do come in out of order, then we would want to make sure that it's displayed in the correct order. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.